Kids are laughing, playing. One small kid, Alex, is drawing happily on the ground. Suddenly, a bigger kid, Sam, walks up, teases him and smudges his drawing.
Sometimes people hurt others with words or actions. That's called bullying.
Alex is crying. Other kids laugh nervously, not sure what to do. When someone is bullied, it hurts more than you can see. It hurts inside the heart.
Suddenly, a glowing kindness superhero version of Alex appears. Stop and be kind.
But you have the power to stop bullying. Every kind act makes you a hero.
Another kid, Maya, walks up, helps Alex fix his drawing and says, "Hey, don't worry, I think your drawing is awesome." The bully looks surprised, realizing kindness feels better.
When we stand together, bullying loses its power.
Sam, the bully, looks guilty, says, "I'm sorry, can I draw with you?" All kids sit together, laughing and playing.
Choose kindness. Say no to bullying. Remember, kindness is contagious. Teachers/parents take bullying seriously. Parents, if you want your children to feel safe, please teach them to see all kids through the same caring lens. Bullying is never acceptable. It damages confidence and breaks spirits. Let's stop encouraging it. Together, let's say a big no to bullying. #NoBullying. If you believe in a bully-free world, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more inspiring